We're in the building, man. Do not mess with us, man. Do not mess with us.
Hola, 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 hola.
Yeah, I hope everyone is good there at home. I see here Tumelo in the building. Whoa, come on, guys. Let's kill this. So, guys, basically what I'm gonna do, I was muted. Uh, okay, so basically, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mute everyone to make sure that as I go through my analysis, I don't get to be disturbed. So, guys, you can see that now on US30 on 50-minute time frame, we are approaching this key area here. You can see that we are approaching this key area here, and possibly we're gonna break above. So now we can start my bias on US30 because of now you can see that we are trading above this our trend line. If I can just take it from here, you can see that we broke above our trend line, came back for a retest, and now we are pushing probably to our 90% what to our 90% rule. So let me just drive down to 5-minute time frame. So on 5-minute time frame, guys, what I'm waiting for here, there are two possible scenarios that I'm waiting for here that can present itself. The first scenario is that if it happens that USDT closes above here, then more chances that we're going to come to this area are probably. But if it doesn't close above here, it closes below this area here, then we're going to push to the downside. Then we're going to push to the downside on what? On USDT. Looking on Nasdaq, the same scenario, you can see that we are slowly but surely approaching our key area here. As you can see, we are slowly but surely approaching what our key area here. So what I want to see here, I want to see Nasdaq breaking and closing above. Once it breaks and closes above this key area, then we're going to be coming to this area, probably coming to this one as well. But if we fail to close this above here, if we fail to close this above this area here, but we close below, then we might see a decline or a rejection on what on Nasdaq. So basically, guys, that's what I'm currently looking for on these two setups that I have of Nasdaq and USDT as well. So what I'm basically gonna do, just gonna put in my zones here to make it my zones. To be honest, guys, it's a bit complicated today. Chamin, it's a bit complicated today, guys. But as you can see, so when I see once USDT breaks above these areas here, then that's when we're gonna be confirming our buys or our buying opportunity. Looking on, let's just go down to 5-minute time frame on Nasdaq. You can clearly see, guys, that nature's theorem. We have what we have pushed to the upside, we have correction. We have pushed to the upside, we have correction. Once we breaks and closes above here, more chances that we're gonna continue pushing to the upside are a bit high. So we're gonna be looking forward for buying opportunities. We're gonna be looking for buying opportunities. So now I'm on 5-minute time frame on board my chart, guys. As you can see, I'm on 5-minute time frame. So now I wanna see what's gonna happen. Is the market gonna respect these my key areas or not? It is what it is, guys. So prepare your accounts, guys. We're gonna go prepare your accounts. We're gonna go prepare your accounts, guys. Follow my instruction. Enter as early as possible as you can. I heard that some people were complaining about the way we trade, guys. We don't literally hold until late. When you're entering a trade, you just catch that move that happens at 15, 30, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then we are out of the market. You don't literally hold for the longest time to see where the market is going. Just literally entering, and then you're gonna be taking maybe 5, 10 minutes in the trade. Then you're out of the trade. That's basically the goal. Or if you wanna feel like you wanna hold, you can literally just move your stop loss to break even to make sure that if price does reject, then you don't get to lose or give back your profit. So basically, guys, now let's follow and see what the market is gonna do now. Because of, remember, guys, as much as we wanna sell or buy in whatever the buyer study is, we still need to listen and see what the market is trying to tell us. And then from that, then that's when we can take decisions based on what the market is trying to tell us. So if you can just see here, we have this trend line as well. We have this trend line that might be respected. We have this trend line that might be respected. As you can see, price has been respecting. If it can come maybe for a third touch, then you might see that decline on what on USDT. So let's just wait and see. We still have like 3 minutes before time. We still have like 3 minutes before time. So let's just wait and see how the market is going to develop. Let's just wait and see how the market is gonna develop. So let me just throw my zone here as well. Let me just throw my zone as well here. So now just gonna wait and see how the market is developing. Is breaking above or it's failing to break above. Looking at your state as well, I'm just gonna keep a close eye here on this area as well to see how the market is reacting to this key area here. Let me just remove this. So we're just gonna see how the market is reacting to this key area here. Could be that the market is doing what is doing a retest and then continue pushing to the upside. Possible scenario that we might see presenting itself. So let's see here what's going to happen here in this era of what? In this era of NASDAQ. Let's see what's going to happen. I have Dr. here, Tremaine. Is entering a position now. He's entering a position now. He's entering a position now. Okay, guys. So let's see, guys, what's going to happen now. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. We have like 1 minute. There's a lot that can happen in 1 minute, guys. There's a lot that can happen in 1 minute. So let's just apply some patience and see what the market is trying to tell us. Let's just apply some patience to see what the market is trying to tell us. I hope everybody is good. I hope everybody is prepared. I hope everybody is good and prepared. I hope we're good. I hope we all prepared. I hope we all prepared. They're at home. You can still write your bias on Nasdaq as to what is that you're seeing happening either on Nasdaq, either on your state. What is it that you see happening on these two indices that you're trading currently now? So, guys, basically, we're not holding trades, guys. When you're trading 16 days, you're just entering, you're in, and you're out. Yeah, in and out, guys. No time for to be holding until very late, guys. No, we don't do that, guys. We don't do that. Um, I wanna remove this. Okay, cool. So seems like you can see, guys. Seems like we have more confirmation on USDT that is gonna push to the upside. Because of why am I saying that? Because of you can start USDT is failing to break this area here, push and break above, came back for retest. So we might see USDT pushing all the way to the upside. As you can see that here on the other side, Nasdaq is already broken. How do you separate charts like you do? We're just gonna talk about that after the session. So guys, you can see that we got that retest. So we can probably, guys, more chances that we're gonna be looking to buy USDT are more high than looking to sell USDT. So putting our our long position here. Nasdaq is pushing up, guys. I told you Nasdaq, once Nasdaq breaks above here, then we are up for a buying opportunity. And once Nasdaq breaks above, we are up for what? For buying opportunity. We're up for what? For buying opportunities. So guys, let's just see how USDT is gonna close. Because of now, you can see that it failed to break this key area here. As you can see that it failed to break this key area here. So let's now wait and see how this candlestick is gonna close. Because of now, but if you can just check that on Nasdaq, we got our confirmation. We closed above this area here. I told you we even got the retest. So more chances that Nasdaq is gonna push to the upside a bit high. But guys, let's apply proper risk management. And you can clearly see that seems like Nasdaq is failing to break this key area here. As you can see, that came back to test it and failed to break this key area here. So you can see, guys, that on US30, what basically happened is that it rejected this key area here, then shot to the downside. As I was telling you guys, that we want to see if it breaks, if it fails to break above below this key area here, we might be looking for selling opportunities. If it breaks and closes above, we are looking for buying opportunities. So now you can see that shot all the way to the upside, to the downside. You can see. So now we want to see if this area is going to hold. But if you enter this trade on Nasdaq, you should be in profit because of I did give the order, or I don't know what can I say, but I did give the command to say if it closes above, we are buying. So we should be in profit now. We should be in profit. We should be in profit. So on US30, guys, the entry that I was looking for, as you can see, I was looking for this retest, of which I saw that the price was pushing to the downside. But if you can just remember well, is that what happened is that what happened is that, guys, I really did say that we want to see if price is going to break this key area or not, or it's going to continue pushing to the upside. If it closes above, that's when I said we were looking forward for buying opportunities. If it closes above, and if it closes below, we're going to be looking for selling opportunities. But you can see now that this selling opportunity is not an ideal one for me, because of, we can see that there's a bit of rejection here. But on Nasdaq, you can see that we closed above here and then we push all the way to the upside. So if Nasdaq can close above here, then we might see maybe a retest and continuation to the upside. But other than that, guys, if you enter this trade on Nasdaq, you should be in profit, and you should be looking a profit, not to make sure that you don't give back the profit that you've already made on this trade. As you can see that now Nasdaq failed to break this area here. As you can see that Nasdaq failed to break this area here, and now it's printing this candlestick confirmation, of which is not good, to be honest. So let's just now see if you held this position, you should be at a break even, should take you at a break even. I can see here Tremaine closed in a blue. My dog here, Tremaine, closed a blue with this buy position, held and closed the blue with this buy position. So guys, if you entered this buy position, you should be in profit. Mm. Yes. Tremaine entered. Tremaine, yeah, guys, Tremaine entered a buy on Nasdaq. Yeah, offense entered a buy on USDT and it's rejecting. You can see that now it's literally rejecting. So yeah, yeah, guys, log profits, guys. If you entered log profits. Let me see. Yeah, guys. This, yeah, okay, guys, you can see that on yesterday. What happens is that we got this big rejection, guys. This is not a move; it's just catching traders in the wrong side of the market. Then you see people are losing. Mr. Baloy here, he bought on your state as well, is in profit. He bought this retest, he bought this retest, guys. That's why he was in profit. He bought this retest. So yeah, so guys, because I know that people who would like to probably maybe hold this position for the longest time. So let's just give an overview. Let's go to 15-minute time frame to see. Okay, guys, you can see that on 15-minute time frame, you can see that USDT has been pushing to the upside. So once it closes above this area here, guys, you can literally add more position on USDT and then hoping to hit your TP here. You can literally hold and hoping to hit your TP somewhere here in these areas here. Looking at Nasdaq, let's just look at Nasdaq. Looking at Nasdaq, guys, on Nasdaq, guys, you can see. Let me just go to 15 time frame. On Nasdaq, guys, you can clearly see that there's what you can see here, that there's this undecisive what candlestick confirmation. So what you can literally wait for on Nasdaq, there are two scenarios that you can wait for on Nasdaq. Is either that price is going to come and tap into these areas here and then continue pushing to all the way to the upside, or once price breaks and closes above these areas here, then that's when you can be looking for add more position to buys or setup. Please don't forget to tell us how to have both windows on the same screen. Click the split screen on the left. Riz has just told you, check here at the top. If you can just check here at the top, we're gonna see that there's a split of screen, so you can split your screen. Obviously, if you have paid for a subscription, not for free trial, it's a subscription you have to pay for. It's either you pay for a basic or premium or whatsoever that you wanna pay for. But guys, as you can see that on your stage, we got the retest to this area here. So we might potentially push all the way to the upside. But once it closes above these areas here, your stage once it closes above these areas here, so we could be looking forward for more to add more position on your trade. But if you can just check, guys, here on your stage, this was a trade. Let me just show you guys. Okay, guys, if you did what I told you to do, once you see that USDT failed to close above and you entered a short position, you could have entered somewhere here and you could have ate this 39p, probably closed somewhere here. But now Because of now, what is it that I'm looking for now? I'm looking for US30 to what, to break above this area and come for a retest. Once it came for a retest, then you can enter in position on US30. But the first trade that we called or we said is this one, was where if US30 close and fail to break above, then we're gonna be entering short position. This was the first trade of about 39 pips. So if you entered short, you could have 8. You should have 8 on this position. On US30, to be honest, guys, on Nasdaq, not so much of movement, to be honest, because of this candlestick closed above here, and then that's when you could have got our 141 pips trade, 141 pips trade, of which even my dog here, Tramaine, entered in this trade, probably closed, not like probably closed profit, of which is something that is positive. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Thank you so much for staying and tuning into this session. Stay blessed, guys. Remember, guys, once we close above this area, we might not get a retest. Once we close above, we might not get a retest. So you just need to add your positions. Once we close above, just add your position. Remember, the goal is to engulf this previous candlestick spike, and then once you engulf it and close above, make sure that you're putting your stop loss somewhere below here to give the trade more room to breathe, and then putting your target all the way to the upside. So, guys, thank you so much for staying and tuning into our session. It's your boy Fanlake Mamba. I am signing out.